How do I reset a password on a MacBook? Alright, so somebody in the group asked me the other day, how do I reset a password on a MacBook, right? Well, there's a couple different ways. One, you can reset the whole operating system with the flash drive. Or in my last video, I showed you how to use the clone method and clone. But let's say the person doesn't want to go through all of that and they just really want to just reset the password. They forgot their password and they want to get in. Well, here's another method, right? So what we do is a 5-step method, and I'm gonna show you right here. You want to turn on the computer, and then we're going to boot in recovery mode. So as soon as you turn on the computer, you're going to hold Command R. But before doing so, let me just give you one disclaimer. This only works if the computer has a recovery partition already on the hard drive. If the computer doesn't have a recovery partition, the Command R will have nothing to boot to. This computer does, so we're going to jump right in. Hold down that power button, hold down Command R. Now you're going to hold down Command R until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen with the loading. Now you can release those two keys. Allow it to boot up to the recovery partition. All right, so now we are in the recovery partition screen. This is what it will look like. So what you want to do, second step, right, is we're going to go up to Utilities and we're going to select Terminal. Once you're in the terminal, you'll have an open screen just like this, and you're going to type in the word reset password all together with no spaces. When you have that, you hit enter. What this is going to do is open up the application for you to reset the password. Now you can type in your new password. You're going to type that in twice, and then you can also leave a hint so that you do not forget the password again. This one, we're going to make it this. Hit next. And now it says reset password is completed. You've just reset the password. You can exit, restart the computer, and you should be able to log into with your new password. All right, so now we're back on the home screen. We type in our new password and we log right on into the computer. 5 easy steps, guys.